This isn't just a car, it's a time machine to 1957. This Thunderbird isn't just any Thunderbird. It's been restored from the ground up. It's the closest thing you're going to see to a car driving out the showroom 70 years later. Few cars capture the feeling of 1950s America quite like the Ford Thunderbird. This was a time when the future felt bright, the roads felt endless, and cars were designed to make life feel exciting. Rock and roll is on the radio, Elvis Presley is #1 in the charts, and the Ford Thunderbird is turning heads on every street corner. Born as Ford's answer to the Corvette, the Thunderbird didn't try to outrace it. Instead, it created something new: style, comfort and confidence wrapped into one beautiful shape. And this particular car belongs to Neil. Every classic has a story, but it's the people who keep them alive that really matter. Tell us a bit about your car.
Well, thanks. Yeah, it's a 57 Ford Thunderbird. It's got the 312 cubic inch Y-block V8, which was the first overhead valve V8 that Ford used after their famous flathead that was used for everything back in the day. It's got a 3-speed auto, glides along smooth as silk. It was restored from the lowest mileage original car that could be found by the restorer in LA, and taken apart and put back like it's brand new.
So it's like stepping back to 1957?
Absolutely, as close as you're going to get to factory fresh.
So this isn't just restored, it's preserved.
Don't be sad, don't be lonely, don't you know that I love you only, just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore.
So now we all know that classic cars can be temperamental, but here's the interesting part. Neil says that this car drives like a brand new vehicle. Smooth, powerful, effortless. Should we find out?
Well, let's hope it starts after that build-up. Here we go.
1957 was the final year of the Thunderbird's first generation, and in many ways, the moment Ford got it exactly right. So Neil, how does the drive compare to a modern car, do you think?
It's slightly more clunky through the gears maybe as they take up, which is a thing about 50s autos, but it's pretty smooth and it just drives nice and tight, spot on. Look at it.
Yeah, it's got that classic V8 sound, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's music to my ears. Don't need the radio on.
And that's exactly why these cars became so iconic. While the Corvette chased performance, the Thunderbird quietly invented something new: the personal luxury car. Power steering, power brakes, even power windows in a 2-seater car.
Absolutely. They don't particularly handle well, but that's typical of American sports cars. But you can cruise along nicely in them, which is what it's all about, really.
This wasn't about racing anyone, it was about enjoying the drive. You've got several cars in your collection. Where does this one place itself, do you think?
This one's right up there, to be honest. It's probably the tops, certainly the most valuable. And it's the one I pamper the most, I suppose. And I enjoy driving them all, but this one's probably just...
You've got a soft spot, haven't you?
Yeah, it just takes the cake.
The 1957 Ford Thunderbird isn't just desirable because it's rare, it's desirable because it represents a moment. A time when cars were hopeful, stylish and unapologetically optimistic. This isn't just a classic Ford, it's a reminder of what motoring once felt like. Tell us about the hardtop, because it's white, it goes really nice, doesn't it? It's like an ermine white, isn't it?
Yeah, it's ermine white, which is like a soft creamy white, which is very 50s. It's really nicely padded and with a lovely headlining, and it's got the famous portholes either side. If you remember the film American Graffiti.
Yes, of course.
The blonde young lady in a white Thunderbird, she had one with portholes. And they're just so iconic, and they're from late 56 into 57, and that's it.
You haven't got a blonde wig in the back, have you?
Only at the weekends.
Oh, okay. As Buddy Holly once said, it's raining in my heart, but we're not disappointed, are we, Neil?
We're not at all, because riding in this, if it's raining, you're in heaven in a 57.
In heaven in a 57. It's been raining, but it didn't put us off. We still managed to film the car, even though it's a soft top. Let's check out the clunk test. As you know how the clunk test works, can the car shut nice in a single swipe of the door? How well is it going to shut? Neil, you can do the honours. Remember, you have to let go of the handle, though.
I do.
Right, are we ready? Here we go.
Okay.
Give it a little push.
Shuts like a Golf.
Oh, it did. It was a bit like a Golf. That's a good score, I think, so well done. Well, Neil, thank you for showing us your fabulous car yet again.
My pleasure. Glad you've enjoyed it.
It's been really good. So let us know what you think of the fabulous Thunderbird. Leave your messages in the comments below. Don't forget to like and to share, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode of Classic Car Stories. But stay tuned, because if you'd like to see another one of Neil's fabulous collection of cars, then check out this video all about his fabulous Mark I Zephyr with a twist.